lucrative business you can start there is business coaching and training. If you start on business coaching, you can be able to take those individuals maybe who want to grow their businesses and they don't know how. And you can start coaching them on how to go on day-to-day in their own businesses, able to coach them on their issue of communication, issue on customer service, issue on sales and marketing strategies, and be able to improve or even start to develop their own product, whereby they can be able to sell out there and grow that business with their help as a coach. So becoming a business coach is one of the most lucrative business because there are so many small businesses around there who would want to be given that coaching businesses, and even the community within who would want to start that businesses. They would want to come to this business coach and be able to get those variable and specific training. You've got an interest in coaching, it is one of the best business you can start out there. And coaching, there are so many types. You can be able to coach in fitness, health and fitness. You can be able to coach on classes like cookery. You can coach on so many things, like even an agri-business, whereby you can be able to coach farmers grow some of these crops out there. You can be able to coach farmers on how to layer animals out there. So coaching business is one of the best business you can start, and it has got money because you'll be able to coach those people and they will be able to pay you. And if at all you don't have that experience, because it also needs experience, you can also start by giving the pro bono services, whereby you give services for free, and in the process you're also learning and you're also getting that what we call experience. And when you give those pro bono services, you'll be able to grow. From that growing, you'll be able to now to come out as an experienced coach. And from there, you can be able now even to charge. And as you grow, you're able to charge even more and more. So becoming a coach is one of the best businesses you can start out there. It is one of the profitable businesses which you can be able to make that deal money out of it. So guys, if you can be able to start, just start. Out of the businesses ideas I've given, you can just look for one and be able to identify what maybe you've got skill for, what is it that you've got passion for, what is it maybe you've got an interest for, or even that expatriate, and be able to take one or two and evaluate yourself. The only thing you're supposed to do is to do the research around your area. You can also compare with the people whom you think maybe the business you're going to start are your competitors, and be able to run what is it that they are not doing right, what is it that you want to improve, or what is it that you want to, that problem you want to solve, maybe which are whereby the others are not doing it, and be able to get and put your time in it. It's only the determination and also the hard work, and also what we call starting small, because you don't want to start so big if at all you have not been able to be in that business any other time, or you are starting. There is the issue of whereby these are not shiny objects whereby you expect to get just money overnight. They take step by step, and this step by step, if you can be able to go with them, they can lead you somewhere. They can lead you to the moon. You never know. These are businesses, and most of them are doing really well. Even the people you see there out there who are doing their businesses, they also started that small, and they are there out there with big companies. And with that, I say thank you for being here on this one. And if at all you found it valuable to you, you can hit that like button, and you can also subscribe into my channel so that whenever I upload a video, you are the first one to get it. And with that one, I say bye-bye and thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.